Alright guys, wanted to show you the work that I did. In today's video, I'm going to do the hinges on the door. These left door. Because they're just, it doesn't close. And they're hydro extended. But I wanted to show you how I did this. I used 2-gauge wire. The coil that was on the previous coil, guys, it was cracked. It was a different setup. It had the prongs. I don't even remember, and I didn't even put a video showing it. But if you go to the solenoid, there's a video on it. But it was cracked all the way up right here. Oh, like it was just a big old crack. And this is it now. It turns out super nice. Check it out, check it out. Just gonna turn it on real quick. How much gas does it have? Pop it a couple times. And I just hit it so I can let off the choke a little. But after the choke opens, then it idles. Mongo's here too, guys. He's gonna help. But yeah, we're gonna show you right now the hinges. Just gonna turn it off. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take off both of them. We're gonna take them off right now, and I'm not gonna put new bolts because I was thinking like I'm gonna put new bolts. It's like no, I'm not gonna put new bolts. So I'm gonna use the same bolts. There's already 2 taken out, I think, from down there. There's 2 taken out. So I'm gonna do that right now.
Okay, I'll tell you what.
Where do I put it? I'll put it over here.
Throw it inside the car.
Oh, alright guys, let's take off the door. Check it out. You don't have to go that close. You can do it from far away. Guys, check it out. This has a little thing. But we can't get to this bolt in the back. These are the 2 bolts I couldn't get to. These 2 right here. Well, these 2 right here. So we're gonna try to get them right now. Alright guys, I'm trying to get this bolt right here. I can't get it. It's like really up in here. Like, this is all the play I have. I just put some WD-40. The best. This is as most as I can get it. Right here, just like that. Getting tighter. Getting to the point where it's coming out and I can't hook onto it anymore. You see, I can't even take out the wrench. No! Hey!
Yep.
Alright. Mongo keeps playing with my ear. Then I do it to him, guys, and he gets all mad.
You know, now,
A guy commented and said that you should have hit me when I called you loose. Remember I sent you? You see, guy? He doesn't hit me, man. Or maybe he wants to. I don't know.
on the hit you, see that little 2-pound hammer right there?
You gotta have a motion. The 72 tooth Harbor Freight. If it was 100, it'd be better. squeeze in there. You can't even get the drill. That's why I never did it, guys, because... But I'm thinking about taking it apart, guys. This and everything. Just manhandled it out.
You got a ratchet? You put a ratchet in there.
Let me see.
No, not that ratchet, a hand ratchet.
Oh, hand ratchet. Already? Let me go get it. You can film this. And I want to like tighten the bumper and like it shakes the whole shebang. It's just little tying up of things, guys. Hey, it's working though. Yeah, you don't have to film all this, I guess. I'll try to get the top one, guys.
Son of a bitch. Yeah. Use the ratchet.
The ratchet. Took them off, guys. But little 72 tooth. Hey, Harbor Freight works good. Guys, I've had this since last year. I think like 7 months here. These hinges. Look how nice and tight this one is, guys. Ooh, yeah.
Not like his rear end.
Your rear end. You can't be talking like that about your rear end. Stop.
You're talking about yours, not mine.
Yours. Stop talking like that. More?
That ought to do it more or less. That's good.
Oh, no.
They're more or less lined up.
Do I tighten them up?
Oh, I just want to snug them up. Then we put the door back on.
Damn, dude, that thing is tight, guys. Too high?
Pull that one. The outside of the door. There you go. A little more. Right there. Hold it up there. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. A little bit higher.
Alright, guys, we're back at it. Uncle's mad. Nah, he's cool. I think we got it, right? We have to get the jack out, guys. It's better to get this jack out. Get a jack out. If you got a jack like this, it's best to do it. But right now we're tightening them. Alright, guys. We can't get this one damn bolt, but we got everything on. It's the threads, they're all messed up. So I'm gonna go bust out the tap and dike. Damn, that's a huge tap and dike. Whoa, whoa, whoa. But yeah, I think the screw is kind of worn out. But we had to bust out the jack, guys. Really good to get the jack. To get the jack out. It's really good. But other than that, everything's good. Alright guys, I got everything on there. It was just a hassle and I'm sweating like crazy. That's why I kind of like didn't want to show too much. But they're on there. The thing is now, is this part. It's not gonna close because remember all the times where I used to slam it and I messed that up slamming it. That's why this is like, since I didn't have the money, you know, I had to slam it, and I just learned just don't slam it and just close it. But that was too late. I ruined it. So I'm gonna have to save like some money and get this mechanism. It's like 80 bucks. So everything's good. I tried to tighten up this bumper too. Didn't get that part, but got that part. This part's gonna shake more now. I already gotta show you this wiring right here. Look at that, guys. Ooh yeah. The solenoid was cracked, guys. It was cracked all the way up here. It turns on so damn good now. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.